Hi, I'm Craig Merriweather of Arizona Integrative Hypnotherapy. Whether you smoke for just 1 year or 35 years, now is the perfect time to stop. Join me for a free 60-minute introductory online workshop on using hypnotherapy to quit smoking. This Zoom class will utilize the tools and technology of clinical hypnotherapy, one of the fastest growing fields that facilitates and promotes human change, improvement, and achievement, allowing people to reach their true potential. So are you tired of smoking but just can't shake that nasty habit that's interfering with your health? Then hypnotherapy can very possibly help when all else has failed. So whether you're motivated by the Great American Smokeout, whether you're getting ready to make a big New Year's resolution, maybe you want to improve your health, or you've just had enough of the expense of buying cigarettes. Maybe you want to quit smoking because you want to make sure you're going to stick around for the loved ones in your life, your children, your husband or wife, your friends and family. Or you're just sick and tired of being a smoker. Whatever your reason is, now is the time. So please join me for one of the Introduction to Hypnotherapy for Smoking Cessation workshops. And if you're ready to quit right now, please let's set up a free consultation call to talk about using hypnotherapy to quit smoking. You can find more information at aziht.com/quit. You have the power, the ability, and the right to create the life you want. So please join me for one of these workshops. Find out more information at aziht.com/quit. Thank you so much.